Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Leo, I want to do something. Hold on one second. Because I want to see if this is somebody new. For those of you that are single, someone's coming in, or they already came into your life, or for some of you guys, I'm picking up a past person, so I actually want to look at all three. So let's see. Tell me about new love for my Leos, please. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Okay. Clarify. You deserve love. You are lovable. Okay. For some of you guys, Leos that are single, I definitely feel like new love is coming into your life. I know I heard somebody say yes. So new love is coming in if it hasn't already appeared just yet. I do feel like a part of your lesson in the past dealing with past relationships was to stand up more for yourself. Because Spirit is saying you do deserve love. So don't think that just because you ran into like bad relationships, horrible people, that it's just not working out for you just like it's working out for everyone else. So I definitely feel like new love is coming in. But I'm going to tell you guys, it is split, because for those of you, let's say you're single and you've been dealing with someone off and on, or there's been no communication, I do feel like for those of you that part resonates with, this person wants to come back as a changed person if they haven't already appeared. The problem was in the past they were listening to what other people wanted them to do. And this is why they ghosted you, they said certain things, they behaved a certain way. But I do feel like this person is regretting their decision because they feel like you deserve better. They're like, you know, Leo isn't going to take me back, or if the Leo did it to you, they're like, he or she is not going to take me back because of everything that I put them through. Tell me about heart-to-heart conversations, please. Let me just see. Because, I mean, it's split, so let's see how this plays out. So yeah, y'all, it's split. For some of you guys, I'm telling you, I'm reading for like single Leos where you guys aren't dealing with anybody, but then I'm talking to the Leos that maybe are speaking to someone. Communication has been iffy. I mean, I'm still seeing it split. So let's talk to the single Leos, okay? So for my single Leos, this is basically saying that when this person does come in, Spirit doesn't want you to be guarded, like so guarded to the point where you're shutting down someone good, you know, coming into your life. So they want you to open up. They want you to express, you know, how you truly feel, what it is that you truly want. You know, they want you to let go of trying to control the situation, because this person coming in, there's this strong connection between the two of you. Now, for the single Leos, y'all, oh my gosh, I'm trying, y'all. Okay, so listen, this is basically telling me that the person, whoever messed up, this person wants to come back to speak their truth to you. And I feel like in the past, they've been trying to control, they're very controlling, or they've been trying to control how they feel about you, what they want, how things should play out. And that was a part of their lesson, is just letting go and trying just to go with the flow. But they do realize that they have a strong connection with you. So let's see. Tell me about very soon, please. Clarify very soon. Release your ex. Y'all, it's still split. Okay, so for my single Leos. Yeah, and codependency. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Because it's split. So listen, my single Leos. What this is basically telling me is that I feel like an ex came back into your life, or there was some, yeah, honestly, I heard retrograde. So maybe sometime during this past retrograde season, or the retrograde before this last one that we just had, there was an ex that came back in. I feel like you could have gave this person your time, but then you realize they wasted your time, okay? So they're saying that you need to let this ex go because this person is very codependent to you, or maybe you were realizing that you were codependent to this person, or there was just like some type of an addiction there. So I do feel like, for my single Leos, if this person hasn't come in just yet, that you have this strong connection with, they're going to come in just as soon as you release this ex. Now, for my single Leos. Yeah, I'm crazy. I crack myself up. Okay, so listen. My single Leos, listen. I do feel like the person that you've been dealing with, they're trying to figure out how to even approach you, because the issue is there was some type of an ex that interfered within the relationship between the two of you, and they were codependent to this person. So they could have either been helping this person out financially, or this person was helping them out. There could have been children involved, just however it fits your situation. But there was definitely some type of codependency to this person's ex that they were involved with. And I feel like they are, if some of them, I feel like they freed themselves from this person, but for others, I feel like they're still trying to break away. Alright, Leos. I don't even know how long I've been talking, but that starts it off. So, I mean, it's literally split. So, let's just see how the cards come out. Because this could be my single Leos. Or this could be my single Leos, okay? Let's see. Let's see how this fits. Alright, Spirit. I want to do a general reading from my Leos, please. What messages do you have for them? General reading for Leos, please. Alright, guys. Let's see what's going on. Okay, bottom of the deck. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Sorry for the glare. I have the 8 of Pentacles. So this is telling me that somebody is working really hard. Could be with their career. Could be wanting to get you back. But see, this is a tower. Yep. The way the tower just came out, somebody is avoiding some type of tower moment. Somebody's avoiding something that needs to take place. Remember I said somebody needs to stop trying to control how things play out? That's this. Somebody's avoiding a tower moment. It's like they're ducking and dodging. They're bobbing and weaving. Like, something needs to shake, okay? Yeah, because it's a little more this way for me. Okay. They know they need to move forward with something. Let's see what's going on. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune, please, for my Leos. But somebody's weighing up some options. Leo, is this you, or is it the person that I was mentioning? A past lover. Let's see. Tell me more. Oh, Leo, it's you. What are y'all, come on, Leos, what are y'all doing? Okay. Alright, so some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I just heard Spirit saying you guys need to stay positive because somebody feels like they're not going to have a victory. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yeah, somebody feels like they're not going to have a new beginning. I'm going to move these up. So, Leo, this kind of goes back to what I was saying before. If you guys were dealing with someone from your past, this person wants to come back, but, yeah, they messed up. It's still split because I see, for my single Leos, I feel like Spirit is saying to stay positive with something that's going on in your life. Could be your love life, because maybe you're feeling like you're not going to have a new beginning. But let's see how this plays out, because I'm still seeing it split. Okay, somebody could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But yeah, somebody needs to cut something off. And they did. Yeah, they made a decision here to cut something off. Tell me more. But somebody's not walking away. Okay, I'm hearing for my single Leos that had this past person, I do feel like whoever messed up, this person wants to come back in to work this out with you. But you cut them off. You definitely cut them off because of the nonsense, the BS. And see, this person realized that they want to be with you and they don't want you to walk away from them. Okay, so it's going to my single Leos. Sorry, single Leos. Let's see. Yeah, somebody's coming out of being frustrated about what took place. At one point, they couldn't sleep. And see, yeah, they didn't balance things out. You guys were the ones doing everything in the previous relationship. And see, the way the Ten of Swords just came out, this person knows that they did stab you in the back. And it could have been because of that ex that interfered. But they know they stabbed you in the back. And they're hoping that you can forgive them. Because they want a new beginning with you. Look at that. They want a new beginning with you. But see, they're trying to make a decision. They're not content with how things played out with you, Leo, but somebody's also not content with their finances here. I don't know why when this card came out, I don't know why I heard mother. So maybe some of you guys had like your person's mother interfering, or your mother was interfering. I don't know why, or child's mother. I heard mother as soon as it jumped out. if that's not a part of your situation, you could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. This person, it could be you or this other person. Somebody is guarded to the point where they're not trying to open up anymore. They're not trying to speak their truth. Yeah, somebody feels stuck trying to make a decision. I feel like the person that hurt you, Leo, I do feel like this person wants to come and speak their truth, but because they stabbed you in the back, they feel like you're now not going to open up because, see, in the past, you were the one to basically start the conversation, go above and beyond, help this person. And see, now, when it's like they realize that they want to come back and start something new with you, but they're afraid that you're going to do to them what they did to you. So this is why they're stuck. Tell me more. See, they want a new beginning with you. They want something new. Clarify the Empress. Look at that. See, I'm telling you, they want to have a happy home with you. They do. They want to start something new. And see, they're coming to speak their truth. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Libra. Clarify Justice in reverse. Yeah, but they had to walk away from a toxic situation. For some of you guys, they had to get out of some type of contract that they were in, legal issue. They had to walk away from something. Remember I told you there was codependency. So this person was codependent to like an ex, a family member. There was something that they had to walk away from. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Capricorn, and I also have a Virgo here. But see, they're isolating themselves right now from you because of the simple fact, one, you dropped them, but two, they had to drop this situation, whatever that they were dealing with. Tell me more. But see, because of this right here, whatever this is for your situation, this person feels like they lost you for good. And they're in their head about it. They don't know if they can fix anything. But see, they want to come and give you this offer, Leo. And they're trying to clear away obstacles in order to make that happen. But see, they're back. See, the way the world came out. I'm telling y'all, this person's in their head, whoever you're dealing with. It's like they're making plans because they want to have this new beginning with you, this new opportunity. But because of whatever this is, whatever they've been going on with an ex, they feel like you're not going to give them a new opportunity. And so they're trying their best not to look back at the past. And they don't want you to look back at the past either. But see, the past is here. There was something that took place in the past, and this is why things were moving slow. See, there's the Sun. They want happiness with you. Clarify the Sun, please. Clarify the Sun. Yeah, they definitely want happiness with you, and they're going to come out of being frustrated about the situation. They're going to come out of worrying about it. But see, there was a lot of conflict here. And I feel like they started a lot of conflict with you, but from what I'm seeing, this person has been arguing with someone outside of the two of you, who, like family, ex, whoever. This person has been doing a lot of arguing. It's been a battle here. Yeah, and see, they know that they broke your heart because there was a third party here. And I feel like they want to fix it. They want to come back and fix it. Look, they want things to improve with you, Leo. Some of you guys, I'm just skipping signs, y'all. My bad, I'm in my flow. Bear with me. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I do feel like this person wants to bring stability back into your life. This person definitely wants to give you that offer that you deserve. But see, this person is suffering. There's something going on with this person's finances, I feel like. Also, I'm getting, I don't know why I just tried to say I'm scared, but I feel like this person is scared to come towards you because they're afraid that things may not improve because of what they've done. Tell me more. Could be dealing with a Cancer, but this person wants to move forward with you, Leo. Tell me more. Yeah, they don't want to cut you off, or they don't want you to cut them off. Take it however it fits. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces, but I do feel like this person wants to come back to speak their truth to you. Yeah, because see, in the past, they were being a player. That in and out, hot and cold energy, but now it's like they want to rush in to tell you something. They want to let you know that they want a commitment with you. They want to have a relationship with you. They want to fix it. But see, they're not positive about doing it because I'm telling you what they did in the past. Tell me more. So they're afraid that things may not improve because there's no stability on their end. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an Aries. Tell me more. See, Knight of Pentacles tried to jump out. This person was moving slow, Leo. They were moving slow to make things right. Yeah, because see, there's no balance. There's something, I'm telling you, there's something going on with this person's finances. I'm hearing money. So, and I'm seeing it. So, this person feels like they didn't balance things with you, but also there's something going on with their finances, because I do feel like whoever they were dealing with, excuse me,